The last type of machine is again a variation of the inclined plane. The inclined plane is designed to allow an object to go up a ramp. Now, in that case, the object goes along the ramp. The wedge is a variation thereof where we actually force the pointed edge of the wedge into another object to exert lateral forces on the object. An example of a wedge is an axe, where the axe head is used to split wood, for example. So this is an example of a wedge. We force it down, it exerts a force to the outside in both directions and causes then the object to split. An example of a wedge is a knife. A knife can be used for cutting a piece of wood. So when you cut the wood, you're actually exerting a force between the sliver that you're cutting off and the solid wood itself. A chisel is another example of a wedge, where we have, again, a sharp point. And as we push into the wood, we can then lift the wood and separate it. It also has a cutting edge then to separate the piece that we're cutting off from the rest of the wood. Another common example is the knife that I'm using here. Again, a very sharp edge, which is used to separate fibers of wood, or we can use it for separating paper. As we cut the paper, we can then separate the particles that make up the paper, and so we actually are cutting the paper then. So, examples of wedges.